In this video, I will show you how to get a free trial on GearUp Booster. Start by opening your browser and going to gearupbooster.com. Once you're on the website, click Download for Windows to begin downloading the app. After the download is complete, open the file to start the installation process. When the installation finishes, create an account using either Google or Facebook. I'll choose Google for this demonstration. After signing up, a special offer will appear. Click on VIP Membership Purchase to view your options. Since we're aiming for a free trial, look at the top of the screen for the Refer Your Friend section. Click on it to get your referral link. Share this link with your friends, and once someone downloads the app through it, you'll receive a free web booster. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.